Hello guys, welcome back for another video. In this video, let us see the sample of ransomware, like how does it behaves, like what is the code flow. Let us do the static analysis on a ransomware. Let us try to do the dynamic analysis on a ransomware, and let us see like how does it gonna affect, right? So I have APK already loaded in JADAX, and also I have an APK that is loaded inside the Jenny Motion. The APK name was let me show you, uh, right. So this is our APK. This is a source code. So as we already know, like whenever we got an APK, the first thing we have to do is we have to go to the Android manifest XML, and we have to check what all the permissions that application has, right? If you see here, application has almost all the permissions, like around like 107 permissions. It does even have a read contacts, read logs, everything, right? You can if you want, you can even go ahead and try for some backdoor activity, or you can even try for some spyware activity. And even it does have binders admin. You can try for some trojan or escalation or routing the application, right? But I already know this application is positive towards the ransomware. So let us start our RE for like ransomware, right? So as I said in earlier videos, whenever we get application for doing RE, in the sense reverse analysis, like reverse engineering, always start your analysis with like main activity. So go to the main activity, and my new project, insert that main activity. So, as we all know, lifecycle starts when on create, invoked, could on create, and there is one content view loading out, and there is some initialization. Let us see what is the initialization. Uh, mhm. There is one button, okay, and it is get application context, okay, okay. Something like taking a photo and putting the things, and okay, okay, it's putting a file output, and uh okay, there's a button, and on clicking the button it is creating an intent to this class, and is starting the activity of this class. Okay, let us go to this activity. What was this? Hacked activity, right? Hacked activity. So let us go to the on create. What is happening on create? Again, it has initialize. Even there also we have initialize logic. Let us go to initialize logic. Okay, nothing is there in initialize logic. Let us go to initialize. Okay. Mhm. There is some view setting up. Okay, and set display enabled. Okay. Before that, there is one layered file hacked is brought up. Okay, uh in a content they'll set up a layout of this. We'll see what is that. Okay, here it is. Okay, let's go to the layout files and check that. Before that, let's see what is happening here. Okay, they're setting up the things. Okay, and they have some image view and text view. Okay, so what is happening? They are bringing up this layout. Whatever it is the layout, with respect to that layout bundle, they are setting up the views, right? Okay, so this is about initial logic. We'll go and see what is happening with this layout file. Before that, we had another thing, another functionality on create. We didn't check, right? So if check self permission, this Android permission, uh, okay, okay, then initialize the logic. Okay, if it is there, then initialize the logic. Okay, let's go to it. Okay, okay. When this functionality is called, it is deleting the files with this folder. Okay, let us see the functionality of this. Where did we go? Yeah, delete file. Okay, so guys, this application is trying to delete the files from the internal storage, right? So this is about, like, this was the code flow from a main activity. There was a two things. One was initialize. This initialize redirects you to the hacked activity, and where it gonna show you some layout. We'll see what is that layout in a while. And another other function called this triggers to delete of the files. Okay. So we have a layout files, or if you remember, layout files is always in the results layout, and the layout file name was hacked, right? Hacked. So hacked.xml. So here you can see schema. Okay, okay, and there was a okay background color and the parent height. Okay, leave that. Here is the layout and image view and text view, right? Only those two were called in that initialize thing. So image view, some source that is an image, probably not probably that is an image. Okay, so in a text view, text size 12 pixel and okay, padding ahead, and they're putting some text. Okay. It is in some different language, but we can try to convert that into English, right? It's very bad. Okay, copy. Well, let us go to Google Translator. Google Translate. Okay, wait, wait. Okay, let us detect it. Let us do it in English. Your files have been deleted. Your phone has been hacked. Listen or get hacked. So guys, so you can understand here the what this application is doing in the sense. As soon as it get installed, it is trying to bring up this screen, whatever it is there for the user. And in the meanwhile, in the back end, like once this gets executed successfully, it is trying to delete all the files. So this is what this application is performing. Let us see. This is the application handled update. Okay. Hello. 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 Start. Okay, thank you. So yeah, this kind of application comes under the category of ransomware. This is about this video, guys. If you want more videos like for a ransomware, I have uploaded in my YouTube channel. If you go to the YouTube of Byte Theories, let me show you. Byte Theories. You'll be having Android ransomware and lot of videos related to ransomware also. Here also on Android ransomware, and there is here also one Android ransomware video. So you guys go and you can check it out, right? So this is about the ransomware, guys. We'll see you guys in another video. Bye bye. Take care.